You guarding the gold, buddy? I'm taking it right. Must be the spot. Dang. Great strike. Good strike. Okay, so today we're going to be vacuuming some bedrock with the Milwaukee shop vac. It's got a battery right here you put in there, and the material goes into the bottom. So once you get your bedrock cleaned off, you can vacuum out the cracks, and the gold tends to be in the cracks. So we'll be using a crevicing tool, a small pick, and a little broom brush. And let's hope we can get some gold out of this little Caliche gulch that we found. So you can see there's the Caliche. I got it down to the base there, but there's still all kinds of dust in the cracks. And the rest of the river looks like that. I didn't clean that part off there, and that hasn't been cleaned, but it looks pretty clean up there too. So maybe I'll vacuum up there too. And then we'll test the material. If it's good, we can keep working all the way down the creek. There's a bunch of boulders there that I have not cleaned off, a little waterfall, but let's start with this. So let's take our toolbox to the next location. That's all we're using: brush, crevicing tool, small pick. I'm gonna use one battery basically on each location to do my test. So it should be about that much material. It's about half. Okay. Because some of these locations are very remote. I have to hike in, so I can't carry too much. So when I hike out, I've got to carry the vacuum and this bucket only. The tools can just go in here like that. All right. I'm gonna swap my battery now before I forget, so I don't get out there and have a dead battery, right? That's an epic fail. All right. All right, Montana Mike, Arizona. They say the Caliche's good out here. We'll see. You're being tested thoroughly. All right, this is the panning station. And if you have a lot of material, we could use this gold hog up here. All right. But all we have is these 2 little amounts of material from our vacuum. And then we're gonna run through some screens. We got a pan and a magnet, and I can pan this way faster than you can run it through that machine, and you can clean out the machine. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll see what we got. All right, so we're gonna do this in thirds. Take this. All right, maybe we're doing it in halves. All right, try to one-hand this thing. And so basically, the first step is get the big rocks out, and then make sure none of them are gold, right? That's the first one. The second one's smaller, right? This will make the panning way easier. Now we don't have to get the big rocks out. All right, so get rid of that. And that's half the material from the bucket right there. Man, you get it wet. There's some nasty water in here. Okay. Make sure it's all wet. Don't want any of it floating out. All right, this is all like caliche. Just get it all stirred up, and then you can start. Everybody in the world pans differently, and I pan it fast and nasty. It's all sinking right to the bottom, so you don't have to worry about that. Like, why is it going so fast? Because you can. It's very hard to get the gold out of the pan. Now I got the riffles up the front, catching it, the big riffles. Okay. Just trying to get it down to black sand. Trying to bring it back behind this lip. Get it caught up in the front of that lip. Okay, so now what you have here is all black sand. It's quick. Okay, now the lighter color stuff's floating off the top. And now we're not going to put the material back into the trough anymore. You get it all back behind this lip. Get it real shooken up. Now we're gonna do kind of like the reveal. So we'll go like this, and we'll rock it out. See that? That's all black sand, okay? And we can get the white sand off of it. And leave a little bit of black sand here in case you miss some gold. Okay? We're gonna do it again. All right. This is from the small picker claim. I'm not expecting much. Okay, now I think we're seeing some gold already. I'm taking it out in the sun so you can see. Now you saw me clean off that caliche. And basically there's just a couple of little teeny specks. We call it fly poop in here. It's basically nothing. I would just throw this back. All right, so. Caliche's no good so far. We got one more little bit of that pan to do, and we'll see. Rattlesnake, not happy. All right, buddy, it's all you.